What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It is one of the most important parts of a sentence because without nouns we cannot name or talk about anything. Examples: person, mother, Rahul, teacher. Place, school, India, park. Thing, book, apple, car. Idea, love, happiness, freedom. Types of nouns. 1. Proper nouns. These are names for specific people, places, or things. They always begin with a capital letter. Examples: Rahul is my friend. Delhi is a big city. Rose is a flower. 2. Common nouns. These are general names for people, places, or things. They are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. Examples: the boy is playing. I went to the school. I have a pen. 3. Concrete nouns. These are nouns that you can see, touch, smell, hear, or taste. Examples: the dog is barking. She ate an apple. The sun is bright. 4. Abstract nouns. These are nouns that name ideas, feelings, qualities, or things we cannot see or touch. Examples: love is important. Honesty is the best policy. He showed courage. 5. Collective nouns. These are words used for groups of people, animals, or things. Examples: a team is playing football. The flock of birds flew away. The class is quiet. How nouns are used in sentences. As the subject of a sentence. The cat sleeps. As an object receiving an action. She reads a book. After a preposition. The gift is for John. Simple sentences with nouns. The dog is brown. Sarah is my sister. We live in a big house. Freedom is a precious idea. The students are in the classroom.